Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download offline videos on YouTube. So all you have to do now, you can create your account. If you first time use a YouTube, you can create account first to sign in. Then after that, you can search the video that you want to download. For example, you can after you download a one of the video, and you can check your downloaded video on a playlist. Here we go, for example, downloads, and after that you can copy the video link. You can access your video first and copy your video link, and you can open a Google Chrome and search for website that provide YouTube video to download. I cannot show you this time the website because of there are so many websites that can provide you a download video from YouTube link. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click this button below. See you in the next video.